Yeah.
Да, вот так на плечо
I'm
накидываешь.
not gonna stop you all the way. I'm just gonna catch you.
Why you?
Wait a little bit.
In fact, in the barn, we offered you, we got a $1,500.
Come on. Pop it.
That's why I told him, I said, you should have picked at the barn.
Ready?
Yeah, but